In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Payhip URL link. This is really useful if you've rebranded, changed your business name, or just want a cleaner, more professional link to share with your customers. I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, go ahead and log into your Payhip dashboard using your usual details. Once you're inside your dashboard, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled Account. Click on that and a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Settings. When you click Settings, Payhip will open your account settings page. By default, you should land on the Store Settings section, which is exactly where we need to be to update your URL. On this Store Settings page, look for the area labeled Username. This username is very important because it forms part of your store link. Right next to or below it, you'll see your current store URL displayed as something like payhip.com/ followed by your username. That entire address is what you share with customers, but the part you can actually control is the username. To change your URL, you don't edit the link directly. Instead, you edit the username field. Click inside the username box and type in the new username you'd like to use for your store. Try to choose something that clearly represents your brand, is easy to spell, and doesn't use any special characters that might confuse people. After you type your new username, pause for a moment and wait for Payhip to check if it's available. You'll see an indicator above or near the username field. If the username is already taken, it will tell you something like, "This username is not available." If that happens, don't worry. Just try a different variation until you see a message confirming that the username you've entered is available. Once you've found an available username you're happy with, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Settings. The page will reload for a moment. After it finishes reloading, you should see a confirmation message at the top saying that your profile has been updated. At this point, your Payhip store URL has been successfully changed, and you can start sharing your new link with your audience.